Holy crap, that literally fucking took forever. Fingers crossed, please. Oh, thank God. What? Alright. Yo, it freaking works! Alright, that's freaking awesome. Holy crap. It works. You guys can't hear it, but... Yo, this is freaking sick. Yo, I am hyped, dude. Like, you guys don't understand how fucking hyped I am right now. Excuse my language. Your videos have helped me out so much. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Alexander Posh. I really appreciate it. Yo, I'm feeling good right now, man. Yeah, dude, it works. It was Java 11. I should have switched way before, but you know, it's fine. We figured it out. You guys can't hear the audio because I have it muted, but you can see right over here that it's playing. Okay, I'm gonna unmute it in just a sec though. I just gotta set up. All right. Yeah, it kind of sucks that I had to restart the stream, but it's all good. What did I think of that pic that you sent me on Discord? What picture? Alright. Hopefully I don't get copyright striked, but I don't really care. Let me find some no copyright sounds. I'm gonna mute my audio. Let's just... Alright, let me disable streamer mode. Okay. Anyways, so... Hey, VegFit. How long have you been programming for? 3.5 years. 3.5 years. Three and a half years. Saren's mod, I didn't get any photo from you. Let me check my Discord again. This is a DJS. Oh, this photo. Let me see. Play cartoon howling. Your response time closes within the next 30 seconds. Oh, I see. That's pretty cool. And you select one. Ah, that's nice. I like that. I like that. Alright. Of the bot I helped develop. I sent it to before I sent the lava link down. Oh yeah, I just saw it right now. It's pretty cool. Good job, man. All right. Oh my god, I can't believe. Wow. That took so long to configure, but we finally got it. No complaints. It works. So yeah, I was surprised that it wouldn't work with Java 8, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. All right, cool. So let's go inside this voice channel. So just to quickly recap what's going on. So we got to join the voice channel. We got to join music. And what I'm gonna do is, let's see. Let's play Ixin New Day. Okay, so there's hope. Just started out and made my first bot for my server thanks to you. Yeah, Alexander Pash. No problem, man. Keep coding. Don't stop. All right, let me. Yo, this is sick. Oh my god, please join please join the channel. Yo, don't. Why is it not working all of a sudden? This is something that I gotta play around with. Okay, so apparently maybe I feel like it has something to do with the player. It's gonna take some while to get used to, but yeah, I think the player might be lagging a little bit or something. I don't know. I think we never actually destroyed a player. Okay, so it's gonna play. There you go. This song is awesome. I gotta edit the video. That's all being streamed from here. It's not being streamed from anywhere. It's all from the voice channel. Oh, wait, I didn't even unmute. Let me unmute. There you go. You guys should be able to hear it now. Let me add this guy's credit just in case. Let's see. Alright, now we actually gotta figure out how this whole thing works. I gotta figure out why that, I love your channel, bro. I am subscribed. Baby Creeper 189, thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. Okay. I feel like maybe if we wait it out, it will, the player will probably stop. At some point, the player has to stop. Because right now the player is playing, but... Q as in, okay. Let's just wait for this whole, music to, just finish. We'll probably use, like, a shorter song. How old are you? I am 22. Yo, welcome back, Salvage Dev. Yeah, so I had to restart my computer because for some reason Java 11 wasn't working. So I restarted it and configured a little bit of things, and it works. So yeah. So now we just gotta figure out how like everything works, like how the whole library works. Like my main questions to myself right now is like what I gotta find out is how does the queue stop? Like does the queue actually stop when the bot finishes playing music? That's what we gotta figure out, and we're about to figure that out right now. So yeah. So now we just gotta figure out how like everything works. Like you guys can't really hear the music, but I'll turn it up a little bit and turn down my mic a little bit. Okay, not the best song. Well, it's actually a really good song, but unfortunately we can't play anything that's copyrighted. Yo, Shadow Hussein, welcome to the stream, man. Yeah, man. We're getting a music bar ready. Okay, so the song should be ending soon. Okay. I'm sure there are probably some methods too with the library that allows us to check the current time of the song. We'll have to dig really deep and see. Okay, so the song's about to end. Let me check my logs real quick. Okay, so yeah, closed status, okay. Cannot read property players of undefined. Okay, so it did actually emit something right over here. Okay, there we go. So the problem that we had before was we had an already existing player. Okay, and we never actually destroyed the player. Okay, so it does work. That's amazing. Okay, players, and then we're gonna destroy, and this is based on the player.guild.id. Okay, and oh, so it knows which guild it corresponds to. Oh, I see. That's awesome. So it's gonna know which guild it corresponds to, which is great. So we don't have to like keep track of anything at all ourselves. We just have to use a command, and that's it. I see. I see. Okay. Let me see if I can find some shorter music to play. No copyright sounds. Oh, I forgot we can also do play cartoon. What was that song called again? Howling. I was listening to this song earlier. It's from NCS. Now playing. Alright. This is gonna be a dope song. We're just testing it out, so I'm getting a better idea of how this whole library works, how the lava link works, and we learned something new today. Okay, so the main goal right now is to let's see, how do I want to configure this? So obviously, if we can queue songs. Let me see if I can queue songs. Let me try to queue. Let's see. This is like some, I don't even know, what do you even consider these kind of songs? Like Call of Duty montage songs? Let's see. NCS. I'm just gonna pick some random one. Alright, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna queue this one. Let's see how that works. Let's do... If I do a URL, will that actually queue it? Oh, it does. Okay. Okay, so that's queuing the track right now. So, it's not gonna interrupt our current stream, or at least the current node. So it queued it in, and we can see right over here. Let's see, on the Lava Link client, loaded track bloom be around, and the audio is so amazing. Like, it's so much better. Like, I've never heard it cut out with YTDL core and Node Opus. It like always cuts out all the time, which is pretty annoying. But I'm really liking Lava Link so far, and I'm gonna try to host this on my VPS. And we're also going to try to host on Heroku. I don't know how successful we'll be with that, but we're going to try. The song is, okay. While we wait for the music to, wait, let's look at Arella docs. And let's see what else this library is capable of. Yeah, like, I was turning on the audio, like, I turned it all the way on, and it sounds... Whoa, sorry. It sounds really freaking good. Holy crap. This is actually really freaking good. Yo, this is freaking sick. Yo, we got 43 people watching right now. That's awesome. 45 people. Where are all these people coming from? I'm curious. Where's everyone coming from? Okay, so the song's gonna end. Now playing Bloom. Yo. Yo, this is sick, dude. Oh my god, this is freaking awesome. Okay. I gotta think about how we would implement a queue system. Well, I mean, the queue is already there, so we don't have to even write a queue system. Lava Link takes care of everything for us. So the other features are, I guess, searching, right? Let's see. Okay, well, searching shouldn't be too bad because I think how many results does the search method return? Let's look at the docs real quick. Where's the documentation? Let's see. There should be something. Search result. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't say the search result data. Okay, so we know for a fact the queue works. Okay. I'm trying to see what else we could do. Alright, let's do this. Let's just wait for it to finish playing. In the meantime, we'll see what's up on our server. For new people watching, thanks for checking out the stream. Really appreciate it. Alright, sorry, I went AFK. Alright, song should be ending soon. Okay, there we go. And it should say stop in a sec. Yep, there we go. So it's stop, queue is ended, perfect. Alright. Let's see. Oh, let's see. What can we do with this? Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. Let's make it so that we can give them an option to select which audio that they want. Okay, so let's get rid of this and let's see. Let's leave all of this crap down there. Okay, we'll leave this alone. Let's see. Music client.search. Let me see how the data looks like. How's the data formatted? Search result track loaded. Okay, before I do anything else, we're not gonna add to the queue. We're not gonna do anything here. Let's comment this part out. I need to see how the results look like so I can determine how I want to format my embed message. So play, I don't know. Let's do part 2. Okay, so the bot joined for some reason. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so these are, oh, I see. So these are track instances, and so we have a search result. Okay, and the search result has a field called tracks, which is an array. Okay, so let's go ahead and reference that array, and I'm gonna do tracks.length. So we're gonna use this again, and let's see. 29 tracks. Wow. Okay. 29 tracks. Okay. So I guess we only want 10 because we want the person to actually, make their search very specific. Okay. So let's do this. Let's go ahead. And I guess we could get the first 10 tracks. So we'll do const results. Or actually, res. This is a, trying to think how I want to do this. Const results equals res dot slice 10. That should give us the first 10 results. And if we log results again. Okay. Res.slice is not a function. Oh, res.slice. Res.tracks.slice. Okay. Okay, there we go. We have our tracks. Okay, so each track is going to have the title, the URL, and I think that's really it. We only care about that. We didn't really care about anything else. So let's do that. Let's see. So 10 tracks. We're gonna go through the entire array and create an embed that has, I guess 10 links and titles. So I'm gonna create a function down here. Function create embed, or maybe down here. Let's see. So for const result of results. Actually, yeah, we don't need this function. Let's leave it alone. Const embed equals new message embed. We're gonna have to import that. Okay. So let's import that from Discord.js. And now we're gonna do embed.set author. I don't like titles, so we'll do, let's see, client.user.tag, client.user.display avatar URL. Okay, we got the URL. Let's give it a color, hex color for our embed. Okay, I'm gonna give it a nice green color. Or wait, I'm trying to find a hex color picker for embed message. Let's pick a nice greenish color. Okay. And let's do this. Set color. Set description. Results found. Okay. We're not done yet. Oh, wait, that should be a footer. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna go and generate, let's see. You know what, actually, I'm gonna do this instead. We're gonna do const.results is equal to res.tracks.slice. Okay. This is gonna give us an array. So we'll do map. And I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, for every result, we are going to map the name with the link. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do result title, and what's the other one? Result.URI. Okay. All right, so this should give us our results in a string form, I hope. But we're gonna also, let's see, we're gonna map it, and then we're gonna join everything together with a new line character, so that's on a different line. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the description. So set description, it's gonna be results. And let's just see how this looks. Embed. Okay. Alright. So now if I do play... Oh, that looks pretty ugly. Holy crap. Okay, that's actually a lot of results. Hold on. We only asked for 10. Did I forget to slice? Res.tracks.slice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is way more than 10. What the hell? Hold on. Res.slice 10. Okay, let's see what it says here. Yeah, I don't know why we're getting all of these, it should be 10. Let me check the fields again. So for each track, track.title, URI, okay, that should be it. Okay. Ciao, clearly. I'm trying to figure out why it's giving us more than 10. We only want 10, but it's giving us way more than that. It says 19, what the hell? Oh wait, am I using the slice method wrong? Slice array, I always forget how this works. We want 0 to 10, okay. Method returns a shallow copy of a portion array into a new array object. If we put 10, I think that's going to slice everything after. Oh, okay. It has to be from 0 to 10. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Silly me. Okay. Alright, that should give us enough. Alright, cool. So this obviously looks pretty bad because we're zoomed in. Okay. Yeah, I think by default Discord is going to leave it like that. I don't think that you can do hyperlinks, unfortunately. Or at least I'm not sure if you can. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna label each one. So, let's see. I remember I did this before. How do I want to do it this time? I'm thinking we need to map everything together. We need to have a number, and we have to have them select whichever number. So I'm thinking, let's see. Okay, well, I definitely need the array of tracks. So let's do this. Const tracks equals res.tracks.slice 0 to 10. Okay, so that gives us our tracks. And this is going to basically just be an array of all the track instances that Arella takes care of for us. And now in map, I think instead of returning a string, I want some kind of variable. So let's see. Well, map itself is going to iterate. So let's do let I equals 0. Maybe let's try this. Let's try $+ I, and that will give us a number. Okay, so it should increment by 1 every single time. Let's see what that does. All right. We have an error. Maybe no. Oh, it's not sending anything. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Play cartoon howling, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay. All right. So now the question is, how do we select the actual track? Okay. Well, let's say for example, if I type 1, okay, what we need to do is we need to subtract 1 from the user's input. So if we type 1, we're going to subtract 1, because if they type 1, they're trying to reference this link over here. Okay, and that link is at position 0 in the array, so we're gonna have to subtract 1. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and let's do this. Let's do const music embed music message, or let's do music results message equals, oh wait, because I want to delete this message later on to clean up the channel. And then let's see, what do I want to do after? I want to go ahead and await messages. So we want the user to have one response. We're only going to give them the option to have one response. We're going to time it out. We could do whatever time we want. 60 seconds is good enough. So let's do const. Or I just thought of a better idea. What if we added 10 reactions to this message? That would take forever though. But it would be pretty cool, don't you think? It'd be pretty cool. If we added 10 reactions. That'd be pretty dope. Let's see. I'm trying to think what might be the most awesome way to go about this. Nah, we'll go with a number for now. I mean, yeah, 10 reactions might seem, pretty, but let's just have them type in a message. So we're gonna say const response equals await message dot channel dot await messages. Max is going to be, we need a filter. Max is going to be 1, and then time we'll leave it at, for testing purposes we'll do 10 seconds. Hey, Smile, welcome to the stream. Okay, so we have to define our filter, so we'll do it up here. Okay, so const filter. This is going to take in a message parameter. And we're going to go ahead and check to see if message.authored ID is equal to m.authored ID. Okay. And now, let's see. We have the filter. Okay, so move that down here. Actually, we'll leave it here. Okay, so after 10 seconds has passed, it's gonna throw an error. So let's do a try catch. Hopefully, we don't have too much to catch. And I'm also gonna have to do a try catch in above too. We're gonna fix up a lot of stuff. Don't worry. How to get Discord bot token? You have to go to the Discord developer portal and create an application. So you have to go over to this website. You have to go over to discordapp.com, developers, developer portal right over here. And you have to create a new application. Once you create an application, you're going to go over to bots. You're going to click here, and then you're going to copy your token over there. Okay, so if an error happens, we'll just log it, and we'll just say... message.reply. You waited too long. Please try again. And then we'll delete the message after 5 seconds. Alright, so, let's see. We have our message collector. Okay, so if everything goes well, let's see. I kind of want to have a more robust collector. Let's do and let's make sure that they're also entering a valid number between 1 up to the number of tracks. So we're gonna do and let's see content. Carl Graham, welcome to the stream. How do I want to do this? Let's see. Let's do greater than or equal to greater than 0 and we have to do parsing this time. And let's see, results length. %. Yo, Carl Graham, thank you so much for subscribing, man. Really appreciate it. For Smile, yes, I will be putting on a GitHub. Let's see. Okay, so we're checking to see if the author ID is equal. Whoops. And I will be making a separate tutorial too, so don't worry. And then we're gonna check if parse int message.content is greater than 0, or if it's less than array.length. Or actually less than or equal to, because we're going to subtract 1. Why do I keep doing that? Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it looks really ugly, but we just want to make sure that they are doing what we want to do. So response.first.content was entered. Okay. Oh wait, I should probably upload a thumbnail. That one was pretty let me actually fix that real quick. Do I know Python? Yes, I do. I do know Python. I'll actually try to do this. I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more. And I'll maybe try to do this in what's it called? I'll see if I can do this in Python too, which would be pretty awesome. Trying to find the thumbnail that I made earlier. Wondering where it went. There we go. Save. Bam. I also need to manage, like I forgot to change the delay. So there's a kind of like a delay on the do I know low dB? I don't know what low dB is. What is LavaLink? LavaLink is basically a client that manages nodes for you. To be honest with you, I don't really know LavaLink too much. Like I'm just saying it based off of what I have been told. But LavaLink pretty much manages a lot of stuff for you. It manages searching for your YouTube results, your SoundCloud results, all that kind of stuff. So before, if you wanted to make a music bot from scratch, you would have to use YTDL Core. You would have to use some kind of search to search for songs. But LavaLink takes care of all that for you. And after the stream, I'm gonna take some time, recap on what I've done in the stream, and we're gonna put out a new series. Okay. There's a lot of stuff that's going on over here that's obviously not going to make sense to a lot of you guys for the first time, but don't worry, we're gonna be doing this all over again. But right now we're just making a simple music bot with LavaLink, and LavaLink takes care of so much stuff for us. Okay. But yeah. Low dB, I don't know low dB. Slow dB is a small local JSON powered by let's see, what is this? I don't know. Okay, not too bad. Doesn't seem too crazy. So I'm guessing when they talk about nodes, they really mean like certain points, like because so what's happening behind the scenes is this application LavaLink itself is basically a web app, and I guess it takes care of doing all of the abstract stuff for us, like getting the actual search results, getting the tracks. It takes care of loading the tracks as well, all that stuff. And there's also WebSocket that is connected through Arella.js. I'm pretty sure Arella.js uses a WebSocket as well. But there's actually some documentation on LavaLink, and they tell you how to implement your own LavaLink client, which is pretty cool. Maybe in the future we'll try to implement our own. But the client itself, I don't think it's going to be that crazy though, because Let me see. Implement your own clients. It should say right over here. Create your own. How to write your own client. The Java Lava Link client will serve as an example implementation. With the release of V12, many unnecessary ops removed. Protocol. So let's see. When opening a WebSocket, so yes, we do need a WebSocket connection. If we look at the node modules, you're gonna see we should have WS. Yep, we have WebSocket dependency. And if we look at the source code of Arella, oh, they actually use TypeScript for this. Okay. Well, let's see. They are using WebSocket though somewhere. Let's see. Yep, they're using WebSocket, and so it seems like this client itself takes care of so many things for us, which is pretty cool. But the main point is to have the client make a connection to the LavaLink server. Okay, and that's being hosted over here. So if you want LavaLink, you have to host the jar file, and you also have to host the actual Discord bot itself, and you have to have them connect to each other. And so there's a WebSocket connection that is created with this, and just from looking at it, it also uses Axios too, which is pretty cool. Let me see, what dependencies does it use? I feel like maybe it's using Axios for the fetching. I'm not sure what it's using Axios for. Who knows? The WebSocket part is pretty interesting. But yeah, LavaLink is pretty awesome. Like, this is my first time using it too, and I'm really enjoying it. Like, I can actually ditch YTDL core and Node Opus for a very long time. Is LavaLink search results with message and link? Yeah. Okay, let's continue with this. So I'm trying to basically allow the user to actually select a number from 1 to 10, which is our main goal right now. 1 to 10. Okay, but let's see. Parse int message.content. Oh, actually it's supposed to be m.content. Okay. So if we actually type in a number, it won't throw an error. We're making sure that it is greater than, let's do greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to results.length. So results.length should be 10. Hey Shanu, welcome to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. Really appreciate checking out. It was me who suggested it, was it? Carl Graham, was it? Saren's mod claimed that he was the one who suggested it. I do remember someone suggesting, you know, Arella. Or are you saying, did you suggest Arella or did you suggest LavaLink? Which one did you suggest? Because Saren's mod claims he suggested Arella, but who suggested LavaLink? But I did know about LavaLink before. Like, I knew about LavaLink a long time ago. I just never really like bothered looking into it. I wish I did a long time ago though. It would have been pretty awesome. Okay, let's continue. So our bot's running. Okay, and let's do this. So select, let's try 11. It shouldn't work. Please tell me it didn't work. 11 was, okay, that should have not happened. You suggest a lava link. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you suggest a lava link and Saren's mod suggested Arella.js. Yeah, Shanu, I will. I actually have a GitHub link right now, so you guys can take a look at it. Well, there's nothing there's nothing right now. SNRD, welcome to the stream. Are you okay? Oh yeah, you are. So yeah, to answer your question, so you asked, let's see, what are my thoughts on Discord Pi and is it better and more organized than Discord JS? My thoughts on Discord Pi. I have nothing bad to say about Discord Pi. Discord Pi, I used Discord Pi for my first Python project. Absolutely loved it. No complaints ever. Documentation is amazing, though it is pretty annoying to search through the docs because everything is just like scattered. But it is very descriptive. It's very helpful if you look at if you know where to look. They'll give you lots of examples. Very organized, very well maintained. Uh, the author of the library is really good at coding, so they did a really good job at making the library. Good job at maintaining it. Yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Discord.js is also amazing too. No complaints. Never had one single complaint about Discord.js ever. And I like both. But if I were to pick between either one, I would pick Discord Pi because Discord Pi has cogs, and cogs are the most amazing thing ever. Good evening, Yaddy Bull. Welcome back to the stream. So we're trying to make a music bot. I'm gonna try to host this on my server. Like after I finish this, I'm gonna host this on my server, and then people on my server can play around with it. Okay, yeah, we don't want that. Oh wait. Hold on. He's called Danny. Yeah, Danny. Yeah. Yeah, Abel, you're not really late. Like, you know, we're just getting started. Like in the last stream, I was having some trouble with Lava Link, but we were able to figure it out with a little bit of help. And I had to install Java 11 and restarted my computer, which kind of sucked because, you know, I had to stop the stream. But it's cool. It's all cool. All right. Let me see what's going on because it shouldn't allow us to type 13. Let me see. 929. Oh, results.length. Oh, wait. Tracks.length. Okay. Yeah, SNRD, no problem, man. Always happy to help and give an opinion. Okay, so if I type 11, this should not work. Good. If I type 10, then it should work. Perfect. Okay, so we can type from 1 to 10. If I type 0, it should not work. Oh, 9. Didn't mean to do that. Let's do 0. Okay. It's not working. Good. 1. Perfect. Okay, yeah, great. Alright, so now if they pick from 1 to 10, we're going to go ahead and take that number, and we're going to subtract it. So let's see if we could do... Let's do this. Console log is the best friend. Yeah, it is. I'm so used to console log. I should be using a debugger though, but debuggers are they're not so hard to use, but it just, you know, takes a lot. Console log is just so much easier, and I like it. Low DB simple database. Can you make a video and explain? Mohammed, I would rather explain SQLite because low DB itself. Well, let's take a look at low DB and see. It's basically just a small JSON database for nodes. So, for example, you can use this to basically retrieve values. So I'm guessing it saves. Okay, so right over here, it's saving all of your data inside db.json, and you're loading that database with the low function over here, and you can basically use their methods to save data to your JSON file as well as retrieve data from the JSON file. So I would suggest you play around with it, look at the documentation, see what kind of methods they have. It should be pretty straightforward. If you look at set, user.name, type your code right, and then I'll save it to the JSON file. But if I were you though, I would suggest using something like SQLite. Awesome database. Yeah, dude, YTDL core, trust me, I hate it too. I mean, I don't hate it, but like, you know, I've used it, I've had my, you know, I liked it for, you know, a while, but it's time to move on to the bigger things, you know? And honestly, Lava Link isn't even that crazy. Like, I thought it was pretty hard to actually use, but turns out it's actually really freaking easy if you actually just, like, you know, read some documentation and whatnot. But yeah, like, don't worry, I'll be making a new video soon. Maybe I'll make the video, who knows, I'll make the video maybe tomorrow. If you see the video tomorrow on a music pot, you'll know who to thank. Alright, let's see. I want to get the response, so... content, let's see, content log, entry dot minus 1. So that should successfully subtract 1. So if I do that, it should subtract. Good, exactly what I want. Alright, now we can use this to select from our tracks array. So let's go and do const track equals tracks at subscript entry. If track, or let's do this, track dots. Okay. We gotta add this to the queue. So I think this should be fine. Where we actually have the track object. Let's do excuse me. In queue track dots title. We're gonna use an embed message after this, and then we're gonna do if player.playing player.play. Alright, let's take this bad boy for a spin. I already have a Python bot, just wanted to implement lava link to it. Alright, let's try this now. Cartoon howling. Let's do 1. Okay, let's do 1. There we go. Yo, this is freaking sick, dude. Look at this quality right here.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby,
this quality right over here.
And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by.
Look at this freaking volume right over here. You're watching my Python tutorial right now? Yo, that's awesome. I appreciate it. Yo, this is some sick stuff right over here. Let me just... Yo, even on YouTube it sounds freaking awesome. And like I said, we can also queue stuff too, so it won't be too bad. Okay. So I'm trying to think, what else could we possibly do? I'm trying to see if we can like do let's see. Let me look at the Arella docs again. There's definitely a lot of stuff that we could do. So this clears the queue. Okay. I'm trying to see if we can like do. Okay, so shuffle. Oh wow. Set track repeat. Oh yo, let's try that. Let's try to do a loop. Is it able to play live streams? I'm not sure. It might be. Yo, wouldn't that be sick? Yo, let's try that real quick. Yo, let's try that. What if I just did this? Play. Attempting to... Wait, what the hell? Oh, what the hell went on? Why I waited too long? What do you mean? 5 seconds is too long? Wait, whoa, what's going on? Yo, what if I imagine just streaming my own stream in the voice channel? Okay, let's see what tracks looks like. This is gonna be some funny stuff. Make it so when you get the track, embed all messages. Hold on, let me just try this real quick. Play. Okay, what does track say? That's my streamer over there. 1. You waited too long. Please try again. Okay. I'm not sure why. That is if it's greater than or equal to 1. Okay, the filter is there. I'm not sure why that's saying that. What's the error? Track must be track or track. So I guess our track is... What is our track? Our track might be something different. Maybe it can't. You add. Oh, okay. I guess maybe we can't add live streams. Okay, whatever. Okay. Anyways, let's see. Queue add track must be track or a track array. Oh, so you can actually add multiple tracks. Oh, wow. Yo, that would be sick. Oh my god. Because I've seen certain things before. Hold on. How do I... Wait. Hold on. Yo, wait. I got an idea. Let's see. What do I want to do? Okay, I don't want to add anything to the queue, and I don't want to play anything. But what if we did this? Yo, what if we did this? Let's go over... Let's change this to 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, so I want the results to display all of the tracks that are in the array, which is going to display... Where is it going to display? Where's my code? Okay, right over here. Okay, so what if I did this? Look, play, and let's look up something like, I don't know, The Weeknd. He's a good artist. We're not actually going to play his music, but yo, we're going to create a command where... Well, actually, this shouldn't be too hard. But we're going to basically make it so that it's going to add all these tracks to the queue. Okay? So, I'm trying to think. So, we already have play already. Okay. Actually, you know what? You know what I'm going to do? We'll leave that for a search command. So, let's see. I kind of want to set up a command handler right now. What do you guys think? Command handler? No command handler? What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Command handler? No command handler? Should we use a command handler? This bot is gonna go on GitHub, so you know you guys can just easily just clone it and do whatever you want with it. But if we do a command handler, it'll be pretty awesome because then everything will be organized. If we don't do a command handler, everything's gonna be in one file and it's gonna really look ugly. No one's voting. Oh, well, I forgot I have a delay. We'll wait for chat to respond. Let's see what people say. Yes, someone says yes. Is yay a yes or no? Damn, my delay is so long. Is there a way I can change this? YouTube live stream change delay. I really hate this delay. Yes, command handler. Yo, let me make a poll. Alright, let's see what this chat say. Straw pulled on me. Go vote over there, guys. Go vote over there. I want to see what you guys think. I'm voting yes. I want to do command handler, so I'm voting yes for my own poll. I voted for my own poll, so I'm in favor of it. Yeah, you're still live. Yeah, man, we're still streaming. Let's look at the poll results. Four votes. Okay. You guys win. We all win. I gotta go get my code from GitHub because I am not going to rewrite it all over again. Because I did this already earlier this morning, so... Alright, there we go. Yes. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go on my GitHub and get my code that I wrote before. Let's see what I want to do here. You guys asked for it, so we're gonna do it. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. What else do I need? Let's see. Let's copy this real quick. What did I call this again? Structures? I did call it structures, okay. Structures. How is the item theme called? Are you talking about the Visual Studio Code theme? What's the theme called? One Dark Pro. One Dark Pro. Okay. If you guys want to understand this code, I have a whole series. You guys can go check it out. It's the MySQL series. I go in depth on the whole code, but we're just gonna reuse a lot of the old code that we wrote because I don't really want to like rewrite everything from scratch. There's really no point to. But if you want to understand it, you could just check out the video and see how everything works. And what does Spotify extension do? It allows you to play music. You can control Spotify from your Visual Studio Code. I have a lot of extensions. Well, most of them are themes. Most of them are themes. Alright, let's see. We need to register our maps and events. So let's do it over here. We are gonna do that right over here. Actually, no, we gotta do that over here. Bam, right there. Okay. I really don't like this, so I don't know how I'm gonna fix this, but we're gonna fix it somehow. Music client on. Maybe I could create a separate handler. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, so I think we should have, let's see. Register commands is not defined. We gotta import that. Okay. So we now need to read the commands folder. So we need a folder called commands. So we're gonna go there. Okay. Likewise, we're gonna need a folder called events, handle all events, and we'll do we're gonna go here and let's just get the ready events. We don't need the state manager and we don't need this. Okay. You can also get the bots from Spotify, but it doesn't play directly from that. Did I have structures inside YouTube before? Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I didn't know. We'll leave it like that for now. Yeah, I'll leave it like that for now. Cannot find module. Okay, where is this happening? Ready.js. So we gotta go into structures. Perfect. Alright, there we go. Our ready event is working, so we can get rid of this right over here. We need the message event, so let's go inside. Where is it? Okay. I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know 100%. Maybe Seren's mods might know. Seren's mods 21 might know that. He's used Lava Link a lot, so he might probably know. Okay. We're not gonna go super crazy with the parsing for our message event, so we'll leave that alone. So we're gonna go ahead and just do this if message author.bot return. Let's see what else. We need to get the. I think I did this earlier. What am I doing? Clean and concise code is the goal. Okay. And for our prefix, let's do this. I don't have a set prefix right now, so we'll do client.prefix instead. I should do question mark. Okay, and instead over here, we're just gonna go ahead and do client.prefix. Wait a minute. Oh, I can actually just get rid of all of this. Okay, so message.content.slice, client.prefix.length. Okay, should get us the command name and the command args, and should execute the command. Okay. Take that up a little bit. Oh, what the hell happened? Okay. Yachty Bolt. So here's what I suggest you do. Get Lava Link. Try using it without FFmpeg, and if you don't, if it doesn't work, then that means you do need FFmpeg. I'm not entirely sure though, but All right, so let's go inside our commands. We're gonna create a music command. Follow the same structure. This is going to be play music and no aliases for now. And let's just try and run this command real quick just to make sure it works. So everything should work just fine. Let's see. That was from... Okay, yeah, our commands are working just fine. Okay, great. Awesome. Now I can go ahead and close this out, and close this out. And let's go and get rid of this. Let's just copy all of this and move that inside here. Okay, and I think we also need embed messages. Yep, we gotta import that, so let's do that. Okay, and let's see. We have args over here, so args is going to give us, or at least it should give us, the correct args. So let me just console log it. It should just give us... I'm gonna comment everything else for now. Okay, great, perfect. Gives us the correct arguments too. Awesome. Okay, so now we just need to... Yeah, there we go. Args. But that's an array. Let's do this. Args. Or const search query. Or let's do query. And we'll change this to query. Okay, and now we're gonna go and do play the weekend. Oh, async function right over here. Music client is not defined. Oh, okay, so yeah. Okay, so now we actually need a reference to music client. We don't have that, so how can we actually get that? Let's see. Let's see. Well, music client is also an event emitter. So I think the best thing to do is we can probably register it with every single command, maybe. Let's see. I'm trying to think of what the best thing to do is with like separating like our music code over here. I want to put it in a different file. Let me see. Trying to think. Let's see. Music client, and then over here, what if we try to... I'm gonna play around with this so I can see if I can get this to get it the way I want. I want to separate everything from, you know, each other. So we have class music client. And what I want to do is I want to pass in the client. So that this is going to be the Discord client. And we're going to go ahead and create this music. Continue Gorilla client. Pass in client. And we're going to pass in node. So host process.env.host port process.env.port. SNRD, favorite language, if that's directed at me, Java. Not really. I like Java, but I haven't coded in it for so long, so I'm not so great with it. Okay, so we might be able to get away with okay, so now inside here, when we logged a bot in, we're gonna go ahead and create a new client. So the question is, how do I want to create this client? Because this is gonna be the hardest part. I mean, I guess the easiest thing to do is attach it to client, but I kind of don't want to do that. I'd rather just use an event emitter. So I think the best thing to do is let's extend event emitter, const event emitter, require events, and we're gonna go into module exports equal new music clients. Actually, no, we can't do that. That's a little bit tricky. We need to call the music client somewhere. Okay, I think the best thing to do is probably because here's the thing. I don't want to add the music client to the actual Discord client. I don't want to do that because if it's in like a large guild, like it's gonna be in that one map, and I don't like that. I'd rather just have it separate from everything else. So I'm gonna be right back real quick. I'm gonna think of it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom. All right, I need some music. I'm gonna mute my desktop audio and play some music while I think about this. All right, see ya, Yeti Bolt. Have a good night. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hitting a wall right now. I'm trying to think what I want to do with this. I did. And thanks for checking out the stream, Edward Wing. I'm trying to think what would be the best way to make this thing global without attaching it to the client class. Because I don't want to do that. But I mean, I guess I can go out on a limb and make like my own bot class that has its own property, but that would just be the same thing as the client, so there really wouldn't be a point. So I guess I'm just gonna scratch this and just get rid of this, I guess. And what we'll do is we'll create a new instance of it. Okay. But I do want to get these commands in their own file. I mean these events in their own file. Let's see, can I create a new register? Oh yeah, it will be so much better. If you guys have any ideas, feel free to let me know. No, you're not. You're not late. Is my mic good? Mic check. 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping everything's good. Okay, my mic's great. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Colorado. Maybe no filter. Okay, I'm really hoping that this actually works. Client on. Okay, so client has to be the actual we're binding event. Okay, and then client. Gotcha. Okay, great. Okay, so inside bot.js we have to. Oh wait, well before we can even register the. Arella client is not defined. What's going on? Where's it saying that? Bot 17. Oh, wait, I forgot to create the instance. Yo, that's sick. It's working. Let's call this node connect. And we're gonna also bind, what is this? Node error. Laggy and rubber banding. Okay, so these events should be emitted every single time. Okay, hopefully we don't have any issues. If I go into, let's go into connect. And let's log client just to make sure client is good. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, we got the early client in here. Great. Why does it keep saying this? Whoa, 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 what's going on? Registry.js. N.js. Oh. Alright, awesome. Connect should be the same thing. Structures. Base events. Base events. Okay. Likewise, same thing over here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now all these events should fire in their own file, which is good. Okay. Now, let's actually test a quick song real quick. I'm gonna play the same song. Oh, wait, I forgot. It's client.music. Oh boy, what's going on here? Cannot read property message of undefined. Cannot read property message. Wait, what are we doing? It's happening over error.json. So the error is happening, but let's see. Wait, what the hell is going on over here? Oh, error. Okay, there's an error somewhere. Oh god. Oh, let's see. I really hope I can get this to work because I'd really hate for it not to. Cannot read property message of undefined. Okay. Awesome. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah, you're right. Oh god. Good call, man. Good call. Alright, but we're still getting an error though. Like, I don't get why this error is happening. Oh my god. Okay, so new node connected, okay. But where is that error coming from? I don't know where that error is coming from. The client works, okay. Yeah, where is this coming from? Or am I, oh my god. Okay, I get it now. Why is my ticket bot not working? Well, it does work. There's probably something specific that you're referring to. I would suggest you, let me know what it is that isn't working so I can help you out. Node errors, okay, okay, there we go. That's what was happening, okay, it was emitting that, okay, there we go. Now I get it. Oh my god, I'm like so tired right now. Alright, node connect. Our names for our events were messed up. Node connect, okay. Q end. There we go, okay, great. Yeah, Ite Perez, I'm still back. Alright, yo, we finally got this all set up. It's version 11. Alright, there we go. Okay. Alright, so now we actually have to play the song, so... Alright, this is our play command. Let's try. Yo, this is sick. You guys can't hear it. Let me turn up my volume. Alright, there we go. You guys should be able to hear it. Alright, it works. Alright. So, let's just enjoy the music. I appreciate it, certain mods. Yeah, the hardest part was just really, honestly, the hardest part was just figuring out what the hell was going on with the Java. Where did I learn to code? I went to university and I read a textbook with Java on how to code Java and yeah. Seren mods. Is that how you pronounce it? Seren mods. Okay, we have a bug. I don't know what's going on over here. Why is it saying you waited too long? Track must be a track. I don't get why that's the case. I gotta check that out. We have a bug. Okay, so what's going on here? Yo, what's up, Sam? Anson, can you please show me how I can display bot server counts on a web page? Yeah, I don't remember, Saren. And please remove chat box. I can resize it. I know it's pretty freaking large. Chat should be better now. Okay, I have a bug that I need to fix. I don't know what's going on. But let's see. It's saying we waited too long. Yeah, I don't know why it's saying we waited too long. Okay, look, we have one. We have track. Okay, but why is it saying the track must be a track or track array? That doesn't make sense. See, we have track right over here. We're adding the track. So why is it saying did I forget to subtract one? I forgot to subtract one. Alright, there we go. I forgot to do that. Okay, now it should work. Just looking at Google for an answer to my dang error. There we go. Let's fucking go. Hold on, wait, let me disconnect this. Let me see if I disconnect the bot and if I redo this again, will it work? Okay, great. Okay. One. Yo, this is what? In queuing track. What the hell? Alright, what's going on here? It should say the queue has ended. Okay. I think I know what's going on. The bot just got disconnected, but the player still exists. So I can't move the bot in here. Oh, maybe we might need a join command, maybe. Alright, let's make a quick join command. Let's start making some commands for our bot. So Anson, you can use YT search. I don't think we need YT search though, because I think Lava Link takes care of that for us. I have my stream open at the same time, but I don't know why it's showing the quality is so bad for me. I hope the quality isn't bad for you guys. Yo, shout out to Roghov the dev. Shout out to Roghov the dev. Random shout out. Shout out to Roghov the. Oh shit! I just doxed you by accident. We're gonna act like that never happened. Okay. Let's see. Let's get the bot to rejoin the channel. So we need to get the let's see. Okay. So let's see. This is going to join the channel. The person's in. So if channel, we're just gonna have the bot join the channel. So that's gonna be client. And how do you get the bot to join the channel again? I forgot to do that. Let's check the documentation. So I think voice channel is the channel that has the method that we want to use. Voice channel.join. There we go. Okay, voice channel.join. So if channel dot join. There we go. And if they're not a channel, we're just gonna say message the channel send. Please join a voice channel. Okay. Now let's try this out. Okay. Please join the voice channel. Perfect. Join. Play. What's going on? What is going on? Can't hear the bot for some reason. I'm not muted. The green circle is on, but I'm not muted. Okay, this is some weird stuff going on. This is gonna take some time to actually figure it out. Is the process of this kind of the same thing? I'm not sure, to be honest. It might be, because Lava Link itself is easy to use. If you just follow some documentation, it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so that works. Apparently when we had the bot join, it didn't work. That's so weird. Why did that not do? Oh, you know why? Oh, wait, no. No, wait, that shouldn't have been a problem though, because... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see. Maybe it's because we created a new player spawn. That might be the reason why. Hmm. Am I referencing player at all here? Hmm. Okay. We don't need to wait for this to continue. So what I'm thinking is, okay, instead what I want my bot to do is I want them to join the channel first. Okay, and when they join, what we want to do is we want to create a player. Now here's the thing, this is gonna be a little bit difficult to figure out. Yeah, I know it's playing. I need a way to keep track of every single player that's being used, because if I create the player inside join.js, how would I ensure that there's a player for play.js? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let's see. Here is what I'm gonna do. Let's try this out. This is gonna be a brute force. So we're gonna brute force this client dot. Let's do music players. Hopefully I don't forget that it's music players. Let's create a new map called music players. And what we're gonna do is when we join the channel, we're gonna go ahead and reference clients. Let's see. Actually. Oh yeah, I know. I manually disconnected. I ended it on purpose. I don't want it because I want to move on to the next part, and we want to actually get the functional features. I want to try to get within like the next 2 hours. I want to try to see if I can get most of the good features good to go. But okay, so let me actually console log client dot music players. Okay. And what I want to do is whenever we use the join command, I want to log all the players. So join, that's going to join the channel. Okay, and it's going to say map. Okay, now I want to basically have one guild have one player, because I feel like what's happening now, I don't know how it works underneath the hood, but when we have this player over here, right, does this create a new instance of a player every single time? I don't think so. Because we saw that when we kept doing exclamation mark play, it kept adding to the same player. So I think maybe, let's look at spawn. Can I go to definition? I feel like spawn, what spawn does is it'll look for the player if it already exists. And if it doesn't exist, then it'll create a new one. But if it does exist, it's going to use the same one. I feel like that's what's happening. Okay? So I think maybe what's best, what we could do is maybe let's create the player inside join. Okay, so if channel, we're gonna join, so that means if the player actually exists. Okay, so we need a way to get the let's see. Okay, well, when they use the join command, the player is not going to exist, so we have to create it. So if channel, we're going to create this player. Okay, and I am going to just comment this out. We're going to create the player, and then we're going to do client dot let's see, what is it called? Music players is set. Let's see, message.guild.id. We're gonna set it to this player. So every single guild is gonna have its own unique player. Okay. And now we're setting that player. Good. And now if I do console log client.music players, we should see that we have one player that is active. So if I do join, okay. The bot needs to restart. Just give it a second. Okay, join. So the bot joined, and we have WebSocket not open to send. What is going on here? Oh, wait, no. Okay, no, wait, that's weird. Why did that do this? What does spawn do? Let's see. We have an issue. It seems like it didn't like that we did that. So we have our player here. We can see that we have a player. Scroll down. Okay, yeah, so we have a map, and this map's to a player. Okay, so we have the player, but why is it throwing this error now? WebSocket not open to opcode 1, protocol, UPD, data. What terminal is that? It's Windows Terminal. Look up Windows Terminal, and you'll find it. Why is it giving me this error, though? Wait, it just... Oh, wait. Did it just connect it? Oh, wait. It gave us an issue when we did this. Oh, wait. It didn't. Oh my god, please. I hope there's no error. I really hope... I don't know what the hell that error was, but I hope I never see that ever again. What commands did you have on your multi-purpose bot, Anson? Honestly, I don't remember. You can just look at my GitHub. And you can just look for Danebot. I had like help command, ban command, kick. I had custom commands, prune command, so like delete a bunch of messages. I think that's it. I didn't really have that many commands, to be honest with you. Okay, so we have a player. Now, if I try to do this in my other guild... Well, the bot can only join one guild at the same time, right? Oh, wait, no. Wait a minute. What am I talking about? Oh, wait. Okay, so the bot, if the bot's in multiple guilds, it can only join one channel at a time. Okay, so the bot can also join this channel, or the bot isn't even in the server. Let me quickly get my bot on the server. Developer portal. We're gonna get Cindere's bots on our server. Learn more about OAuth 2. Authorize. Client ID equals. Okay, we should not have to worry much about permissions because it should just be just fine. Alright, so now if I do join, it's gonna join here. Is it still gonna be here? Yes, it is. And inside here, yeah, I don't get what this error is. What the hell is this error? WS not open, WebSocket not open to send. Yo. Oh my god, please. Now is not the time to have an error. Now is not the perfect time to have an error. Okay, and if they leave the guild, we want to destroy the player. So... And we're going to do leave, and... let's see... For leave, we just need the client to leave the channel. So, how do we check to see? We need the bot to leave. So to get the bot to leave the channel, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to do this. Client.user.id. So that's going to give us the bot. Okay, and we're going to do we're going to do const channel equals client member dot, what is it? Voice. So if the bot is in a channel, we're going to do channel dot leave. I think that's the method, not sure. Let me double check. Leave, yes. There we go. Okay. And if it's not, then we'll just go ahead and do else message.channel .send not in a voice channel. And what we need to do is we need to get the client or the music client. We need to get the player and destroy it. So let's do const player equals client dot music players dot get message dot id. console log player. Okay. So let's see. So no errors. Bot leaves. So we get undefined actually. Oh wait, message.guild.id. Message.guild.id. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. Join. Leave. And it destroyed the player. It should have destroyed the player. Well, when we didn't destroy it yet, we console logged it, and the player right over here should be let's see. Yep, perfect. Again, I really don't know where that error was coming from, but I'm kind of concerned that it might cause issues later on. Like if I do this, why is it saying please join a voice channel? Wait, what? Join. That should just join the channel right there. Why did it say? Why does it say? Why does it tell me to join the voice channel? Hello? Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Again, what is this error? I don't get what this error is. But apparently it's coming from Discord.js. Voice WebSocket. I don't know what this error is. Oh my god. Let's see. Channel.join. I think it's coming from join. I'm not sure though. Okay, it's not throwing the error anymore for some reason. Okay, that's very, very, very weird. I think it might be because we joined the channel that the bot doesn't have permissions. I'm not sure. Whew. Okay, that's very risky. I'm kind of concerned, but okay. So if we leave, we're gonna have the bots destroy the player. Player.destroy. Console log. Destroyed. The spawn method will have the bot to join. Oh, does it? Oh, really? Does it actually? Oh, you're right. You're right. Yeah, because nowhere. Oh. Ah, you're smart. You're smart, Saren Mods. You're smart. You're a smart man. You're a smart man. You are smart. How did I not think of? How did I not realize that? Wow. Okay, let's go here. Oh, our bot's still in these channels. Let's just wait for a little bit. Saren Mods. Is that a Swedish name? Oh wait, oh wait, hold on. Okay, if we do join, okay, then we need to create the what's it called? Wait, why is this not working? Let's try this again. There we go. It creates perfect. Okay, awesome. Okay, so now we have it set in the music players, and so when we leave, we're gonna destroy the channel. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna move my terminal here. Player.destroy is not a function. Huh. What's going on? Let's see. Okay, you know what? We'll leave it alone. But why did it not leave the channel though? That's... Okay, I see. Okay, so we are in the voice channel, but why is channel.leave not working? Oh, is the bot not actually in the channel? This is why I hate, yeah, why is it not leaving? What the hell? JCDCFFDDC deleter, welcome to the stream. Can't believe I just say your whole name, but... Okay, I need to find out why my leave command is not working. It's saying I'm getting a then of undefined. What the hell? Oh, what? Oh, so the... Oh, what the hell? Wait. So player is undefined, but channel is defined apparently. So the bot is still technically in the channel. Okay, so it's lagging a little bit. I can't believe that you actually said it right. Yeah, all in one go, man. All in one go. So here's the thing, the bot is kind of lagging a little bit because when we actually restart the bot, it's still in the channel apparently. So maybe that's why we're getting some issues, but anyways, okay, so when we join, that's going to create a player. So when we use the play command, we want to get the actual player. So we have the client, okay, and to get the actual player, we're going to go ahead and do this. So we're referencing player right over here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get the player. Const player equals client.music players.get. Okay, queue the add and queuing track. And okay, let's hope for the best. If player.playing, okay. By the way, how do I can join the Discord server though? There's a link on my description. If you look at the link, programming Discord server, you can just click that link and it'll take you to it. I legit can't make a Discord bot LMAO. Amen. Have you ever tried? Everyone can make a bot. Alright, let's see. What was that song called again? Oh wait, it doesn't work like that anymore. Whoops. Yo. Yes! Yo, this is sick, dude. Oh my god, this is awesome. Yo, Salvage Dev, welcome back, dude. We've made lots of progress, man. We made lots of progress. What did you say? Let me look up the chat. When you're checking for a role, do you cache? Yes, if you're on version 12, you have to check the cache. Yo, welcome to the server. You should destroy the player instead of having the bot leave the channel, because when you destroy the player, it also has the bot to leave the voice channel. To destroy the player, you can use the following. Okay. Clients. Oh, wow. Cool. Good thing to know. Can you teach us how to host on Heroku? Asking because you almost finished it. Yeah, I can try. I don't know how successful I'll be, but it shouldn't be too bad though. But we can try. This song is dope. Yo, I'm jamming out to the song right now, man. I don't know about you guys, but I'm jamming out to the song. What do you normally use to host, or do you always use Heroku? I have a virtual private server, DigitalOcean. I'm looking into trying to get credit for like a virtual private server so I can give it away. Because it costs money. But I don't know, hopefully I can find something good. Alright, okay. I think we get the point of this play command, so it should work just fine. Let's just stop the bot right now. Okay, so suggestion from Saren Mods, he said that we can destroy. Let's see. So if we were to do, if we were to get the player, or not the player, we can do client.music players, and then we can do destroy. Okay, let's try that. Let's see. Let's comment all this out. So client.music clients players.destroy is what he suggested. So we can do client.music players. Let's see. Dot players destroy. Oh wait, hold on. Clients dot wait, I'm confused now. Give me one sec. Let's go inside bot.js. Client.commands, music players, prefix. Okay, and then we have music client. So client.music client, okay. Players.destroy. Yeah, I think that's what it does inside here, right? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Client.players.destroy. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so we can just pass in message.guild.id. And we can just do that. Okay, so let's try that. So when we join, it's going to create. When we do that, let's try this. And let's try and run the bot. Let's do join. Okay, leave. Yo, that is sick. That is sick. Yo, welcome back, Bub's Life. Alright. Alright, so I think we have a good system working on. So we can join, we can leave, we can play. We can search for stuff too. NCS. Okay. Let's see. I don't want to do that, obviously. We're just gonna do the same song again. If I do this, it won't actually work because we need the bot to actually join. Well, it queued it though. What the hell? In queuing track, no playing. Oh, what's going on over here? Oh, I see. So we have an issue right now that I just discovered. So apparently over here. Oh wait, actually no, wait, never mind. Actually that's fine because multiple people can queue multiple stuff, so it should be just fine. Okay. But the bot's not in the channel though, so if we have it join, play. Okay. Okay, so that's going to load that. Okay, great. Now, let's see. I want to make it so that people can queue stuff. So, let's see. What can I do? I'm thinking, like, I want to separate all the logic, from everyone. let's see. Can you accept my friend request on Discord? Give me 1 sec. Alright, let's see. Let me move my Discord over here. Alright, let's see. I figured out my welcome screen. I wanted it. Anyone want to test it out? Oh yeah, I saw that. Can you upload the project on GitHub? So Master V, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to finish this, and after I'm done with it, I'm gonna upload on GitHub. It'll probably be up either tomorrow or Monday, but it will definitely be up though. When it's up, you'll see a video and we'll explain everything. But yeah. It's gonna, I don't know, like, yeah, we went pretty ham with this. Like, we were using a command handler, which is pretty awesome. And, yeah. Okay, but what I want to do is, let's see. Let me just do this. Okay, so that destroys the... Perfect, that destroys it. Awesome, okay. Okay. Cool, so I want to do a couple more of commands. Let's see. I want to try to see if I can tidy this up as much as possible. Let's see. Oh, wait, we never actually delete this message, so let's delete that. Okay, wait, so queue, player the queue to add, okay. So that's gonna add to the queue. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. If they try to use the play command, we could just let it add it to the queue, which shouldn't be too bad. I don't think we even need a queue command. Like, technically, the play command is technically already the queue command. This is dope. Do I have my own Discord bot? I do. It's in the works right now. I need help testing it. But it's a really large project that I'm working on. Dual volume command. Okay. Oh, there was this one command that I want to do, and I want to basically load. I want to load all these tracks. So watch this. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. Play. Let's see. I'm trying to think of the best way to separate all these commands, because if I do play, what I want to do is I want to make it so that you can search for up to 10 stuff, and then you can just load all of them into the queue. I think that would be pretty easy. So let me show you. Let's see how we can do that. Let's see. Okay, what if we did this? Yeah, salvage dev. I'm gonna make a test server, and we're gonna invite a lot of people, and I just need help like testing like ban commands, hit commands, and stuff. It's a really large bot. Like, it's crazy. Like, there's so much stuff that goes on in the entire project. So I'm gonna actually make it open source once I'm like done with the base structure, so that people can use it. Let's see. Okay, so look, right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make it so that we can load all the tracks that are in the embed. So I think the best thing to do is over here, what I'm going to do is, let's see. God, this filter is going to look so freaking ugly. Oh my god, this filter is going to look freaking ugly as hell. So if it's this... Whoa, what did we just do? Okay, so if this condition is true, okay, or... Hold on, wait. Oh wait, no. Okay, it's gonna be this. If the author IDs are the same, and we're gonna do a join condition over here. We're gonna go ahead and do. Let's see. If it's either they pick a number or they do load all, or let's do queue all. Okay. So if they do queue all, we're gonna go down over here, and we're gonna check the entry. If entry is equal to queue all, then we're gonna go ahead and load every single track. But if it's not, we're just gonna play. Okay, so let's do player.queue.add, and I think we can just add a bunch of tracks. So we can just add everything in tracks, and we're gonna do. Let's do a simple send loaded all tracks, and we're gonna also do. And okay, we're do this over here. Alright, let's see how this works. Hey Mega, welcome to the stream, dude. Alright, let's try this out. Okay. Join. Okay, so, let's see. What's that other song? I had, where is it? Cartoon Howling. Okay. So watch this. If I go ahead and if I say load all, or was it load all or was it queue all? I forgot. Queue all. Queue all. Oh, what the hell? It's saying player's not defined. Persons. Oh wait. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. And it said player's not defined. Let's see. What was going on over here? Oh. That. Okay. I'm not sure. Maybe. I'm not sure. That would be something cool to look into. Loaded all tracks playing undefined. Okay. What's going on? Loaded all tracks. Okay. Let's see. We added to the queue. What's going on? Let's see. I'm gonna check Aurel.js docs. What are some other events? Can track actually take in an? Can we actually take in an array of tracks? I'm not sure if we can. That's what I would like to figure that out because it said I know there was an error earlier that I got. It said can only add track or track array, so that's why I assumed that we can add all the tracks. But if we can't add multiple tracks, I feel like that would be an important thing though. Don't you think? Being able to add multiple tracks. But I think maybe from what it seems like we probably can't. Let's see. Alright, well that's fine. We can just do for const track of tracks player.queue.add track. Okay, let's see. There we go. Alright, you can see right over here, it loaded all the tracks. Alright, now let's try to do a skip command. Alright, JC, no problem. Alright, let's try to do a skip command now. So, if we look at the documentation, there probably should be something. How do we do skip? Let's see. Is Q. Let's see. So we can do stop, pause, seek, play. They definitely won't have anything with node track. Oh, wait, did I mess something up? Hold on. No, I didn't. Okay. Let's see. Q. I feel like Q should have a, removes a track to the queue. Removes a track to the queue. Okay. So if we remove from the queue. Clears the queue, shuffles the queue. Duration. Let's see. We can remove from the queue and then I guess we could play again. I want to see. Let's see. Removes track to the queue. It's player.stop, is it? Stops the current track, but does that actually play the next track though? That plays the next track? Yo, you're a fucking genius, dude. Excuse my language, but you're a genius. Play, stop, pause, seek. Okay, seek obviously. What does seek do? Yeah, seeks to the position of the current track. Okay. Okay, let's see. I want to make a command. Okay, awesome. So we got a skip command. Okay, I'll skip the songs. So skip to the next one. Yo, what's up, Mini Wolf? Welcome.
be soaked to the skin and I'm all soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up.
Udixer. Yo, I'm glad to hear that, man. It means a lot. Alright, here's what I want to do next. I want to make a voting system. When someone uses a skip command, I want to make a voting system. Basically, Mega, thank you so much for subscribing, man. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's do this. Let me stop the bot. Let's do this. Let's see what I want to do. Excuse me. Okay, I want to create a skip command. What I want it to be a poll. So whenever someone uses a skip, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a poll. Let's see. We want to basically get the current members that are in the voice channel. So for example, let me see if I can. Let's see. Do I have another account? No, I don't. See, why don't I do this? Why don't I do this? Hold on. All right, let's see. Give me 1 sec. Okay. Trying to see if I can, huh. Let's see. You can do that like a rhythm leveling system if they don't have admin or specific role. Let it check for role called DJ. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, I'm trying to, let me see. Trying to get my link real quick. Alright. Alright, hold on, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna post the link in just 1 sec. I wanna implement this first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and check the people that are in the channel. So, hold on, let me check the player documentation. There should be voice channel. Okay, yeah, this should give us the voice channel that it is in. The player's voice channel is connected to. Okay, so we're gonna go and get the player. Okay, and let's see this const voice channel equals player. One sec. Let me just make sure it's the correct one. Voice channel. Okay. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the total amount of people that are in the voice channel. So let's go ahead and do that. So voice channel, and let's see, dot members, dot size is gonna get us that. So console log, voice channel, dot members, dot size. So this is a collection. So if is my bot on right now? It is. Join, play, cartoon, howling, cue all, skip. See how it says 2? Okay, it says 2. Now, we want to filter all of the bots, okay? Because obviously bots can't vote. So we're going to obviously just do this. Members.filter where... If you want to filter out bots, you can easily just do it by doing this. You can call filter, pass in a callback function. The parameter in the callback function is the current member in the collection. So you can just return all of the members that are not a bot, or m.user.bot. So this will give us just 1. So let me just get the size real quick. Const total guild members equal that's okay, and we want some kind of poll system. So let's do play. Oh, the bot's not even in the bot's not even the channel. Yeah, that's something they gotta fix because if let's say if your bot restarts, you have to like kind of like restart everything all over again, which kind of sucks. So I gotta like figure that out before I publish this. So whoa, that's not what I want. I also need a way to exit the search so it stops everything. Okay, now if I do skip, it should say only 1. Oh wait, skip. Yeah, it's only giving me 1. Okay, great. So we're gonna do. Oh, I forgot to do that size. Okay, so that size, and now. Okay, so let's say for example there's 10 people. I guess the poll. This really depends on how you want your poll to work. Like you can do it so like if there's 60%, if there's like a 60% vote, then you can skip, or if more people vote within like let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's say if there's let's see, 10 people, if we multiply that by 30%, that's 3. So if 3 people vote, that means it's gonna skip. But let's do a 50% vote. No, let's do 55%. Actually, no. I'm trying to think. Let's see. 11 times 20 times 0.6. So that means we need 12 votes if we were to do 21. Okay, so we'll have to round. We'll have to round it somehow. So we want to get a percentage of the votes. So let's see. The way I want to do this is let's do this. Let's do message.channel.send. Well, let's make an embed message. So let's go ahead and do const message embed equals require. And we're gonna go ahead and do wait, what am I requiring? I'm supposed to require the Discord.js module. Alright, there we go. Const embed equals new message embed. Okay. And now, what we're going to do is we need to get the percentage. So I think what I'm going to do instead is let's do this. Const total votes required equals... We'll do... let's define a constant. So I'll just define a constant. Const percent or const percentage. We'll just do 0.6. I mean, no, that's not even necessary. I just don't like hard coding values, but it's fine. Total guild members times 0.6, and I want to round this. Do 75%. Hold on. Well, if it's 1, right? If it's 1, let's say if the total guild members is 1, if we multiply that by 0.6, that's going to be 0.6. So we got to round it up. Okay, if it's 2, if we do 0.6, that's 1.2. So that means we need 2 people to skip. If it's 3.6, that means we need... Okay, I think 0.6 would be fine. And we'll just have to round up the value. Okay, so math.ceil for rounding up. Okay, that's going to round a number up. Assume there are 10 users in the voice chat. The threshold for skipping is calculated 75%. Yeah. What if there's 1 person in the chat though? And if you multiply by 75, you round down, that's 0 votes. So that requires 0 votes. Which I guess is true. Yeah, if there's only 1 person, if there's 0 votes, then yeah, the person itself. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So I think, yeah, we probably don't even need to. Yeah, we could just leave it like floor then, but okay. So if we do math.floor, this will give us, so let's say for example, if I am the only person in the channel, and if I do skip, if we do 1 times 0.6, right? If we do 1 times 0.6, that's going to give us 0.6. If we round down, that's going to be 0. So we can do a check. We can say if total votes required equals 0, then we're just going to skip, because we know that means there's only 1 person in the channel. So we'll just do if... before I do anything else, let's first check if the player actually exists. Okay, if player, then we're going to do all this. And then if it's equal to 0, we'll just do player.stop. Okay. Alright, so now if the total vote requires not 0, so let's say if there's 2 people, that means at least 1 person has to vote. So if we did 2 times 0.6, if we round it down, oh yeah, 1 person has to vote. Okay. Now else. Let's see, we have total votes required. Okay, so from here, we're gonna have to send an embed message. So let's do... Actually, I'll create the embed message out here. What else do we want to do? Set description, skipping. I'll check the docs in just a sec to see how to get the current song, but it's fine for now. The important thing is we want to send this embed message. So let's see. The player object is the player, or is it the queue? Let's see. Player.queue. How to get the current track is my question. There should be something here. Player dot set track repeat stop. Track repeat volume position playing. Playing is a boolean. What does it tell us the... Does no tell us the track? It does not. Player options? No. Voice channel. That's a Discord just voice channel, so that's nothing. Position, volume, track repeat, queue repeat, play. Seren Mods, where are you when I need you? You're the mastermind behind this. Player queue. Oh, so it's an array. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Class queue extends array. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, skipping. Okay. There we go. Skipping. Okay, now we're gonna create an embed. We're gonna do embed set author client.user tag client.user display avatar URL. Vote now. Okay, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna send the let's see. Const title duration URI thumbnail. Oh, okay. Oh wow, gotcha. Let's go ahead and send this message. So message.channel.send embed, and we're gonna react to it. So thumbs up, thumbs down. Const vote message equals await vote message dot react. We're gonna go ahead and get the emoji. So thumbs up, thumbs down, and you can use whatever emojis you want. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and then wait vote react. And of course, you have to make sure your bot has permissions, otherwise it won't work. Okay. Okay, so that should react to the messages. Now we need to, let's see, we can do await reactions actually. So we're gonna do vote const reactions equal await vote message dot await message reactions. Hopefully I got that one right. I'm pretty sure it's either await reactions or await message reactions. I don't remember. Await reactions. Okay. We're gonna need a filter, so I'll create the filter in here. And we're gonna check to see if let's see, anyone can vote. We're gonna have to ignore the bot's vote because I know for a fact this is going to count the bot's vote, which is pretty annoying. Okay, let's take in reaction dots. Let's just make sure the user's not a bot. And let's see. The max votes we need is total votes required. Oh, I think I'm missing something actually. Hold on, I think I might be missing something. Am I? Let me just double check. Oh wait, reactions. No, I'm not. Okay, and we have a filter, and then we can have a max. Max. Okay, there we go. Max. Oh wait, I forgot to do one more thing. God, I'm so tired. Reaction. We gotta make sure that they're reacting with the correct emoji. Okay. So we're gonna put this inside an array. We're gonna do includes reaction.emoji.name. And max, that's going to be total votes required. Okay. Now I feel like this is going to count the bot's reaction because I know I've done this before and I've gotten an issue. But we're gonna go ahead and check reactions.size. Okay, let's try this out and see what happens. In filter, oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. So what we're gonna do is, let's see. We have to check to see if the user is actually in the voice channel. Otherwise, they shouldn't be, yeah, you're right. So we actually need to get the member. So to do that, we're gonna have to get it from the cache. So let's do const. Hold on. Okay, yeah, const member equals message.guild.members.cache. Is that right? Message.guild.members.cache.get user ID. Okay, we want to make sure the user is actually in the voice channel. So let's do this. Return and member.voice. Checking the docs again. We want it to check to see if they're actually in the voice channel, so we have to go to... Where did I come from? Guild member... Voice state, dot channel ID. Okay, I think this might be null, so I think we need to actually check to see if it's null first. Otherwise, it's gonna throw an error. I'm kind of worried that it might throw a null error because voice channel ID might be null. So I'm gonna go and do member.voice channel. So if member.voice channel, then we're gonna go ahead and check to see if they're in. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. So if they're in the voice channel, we're gonna make sure that the. Well, actually, let's do this. Const voice channel. Member.voice. We're gonna go and check to see if voice channel is a truthy value, and we're gonna check to see if voice channel ID is going to equal to. Oh, we have a problem. Okay, yeah, I gotta change this. Member. Let's do this. Member voice channel is equal to member.voice channel. I have voice channel declared up there, but I still need to reference it. Like, so declaring in here is fine, but because I need to reference that up there, I have to change the name of our variable, which is fine. So we're gonna check if member.voice channel ID is equal to voice channel.id. Okay, and I think that should be okay. So we're making sure that the user's not a bot, making sure that they're reacting with these emojis, we're making sure that they're in the voice channel. And if that is good, then we are going to return, that should return true. But if none of these checks are satisfied, we'll just return false. Okay, so that was a lot. My lol kindness Roblox, welcome to the stream, man. That was so much to interpret right now that like I'm legit burnt out. Holy crap, I'm so freaking burnt out. Let's see. Okay. Man, I need a break. I've been doing this for so long. Oh my god, I'm so burnt out. Okay, but I'm gonna keep going though. Alright, let's see. So we're gonna react with both. Okay, let's actually try this out. Oh boy, so much to interpret. Wait, what the hell? Oh, okay, it's working fine. Okay, I need you guys to help me test. I'll send an invite. Feel free to join. No, I'm going to sleep in like a few hours. Alright. Okay. That didn't actually do anything. Okay, yeah, so good. We have the hold on. Yeah, it's queuing everything. No, I'm not sure what happened. Okay. Okay, there we go. It stopped. I gotta try something real quick. Hold on. Alright, let's see. Huh. It's not showing the, Huh, it's not triggering the actual filter for some reason. Yeah, it searches YouTube. Who is that on the mic? I gotta mute. Yeah, oh, wait, hold on. Let me see something real quick. The issue is in the filter. It includes that. Oh, wait. This is not being hit. So it's showing all the users. Oh, it's saying it's undefined, but why is it undefined though? Yeah, I know there's undefined. Strange. There we go. It's good. It's working. But I don't want to stop the music though. I think it said it needed 4, so we gotta subtract 1 because it counted the bot. So Yo, this is sick. Yo, the song's fucking sick, dude. Alex Rosado, where did I learn Discord JS Commando? I learned it on my own after I spent a lot of time working with Discord JS library, so I was able to just adapt to it. Hopefully, yeah. I'll just suggest, I have some videos on my channel you can check out for Commando if you want. I'm using just regular regular Discord JS library. Yeah, man. Yeah, there's not much audio right now because we're on my test server and we're testing it out. Oh boy. All right, I'm disconnecting. Will the skip vote pop up when you're the only one in the voice channel with the bot, or? Yeah, so I'm gonna do a lot of. There's gonna be a lot of fine tuning that I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, man. We can modify a little bit, but I think I'm gonna. Let's see what I want to do. All right, my lol kindness Roblox. Thanks for joining, checking out the stream. Yeah, Mega. You're right. Like I said, this is just a prototype. And what the whole point is to ensure that everything works, and then after we're gonna do our checks. So what I'm gonna do later is I'm gonna make it so that people can't like override the skip. So if there's already a skip already for the guild, um, yeah, I'm looking into it right now. Like I'm doing some research. The problem is if we were to deploy this application to Heroku, the port is going to be different every single time. That's my major concern. The port is going to be so different every single time, and I'd rather just host it on like a VPS like DigitalOcean. So I'd rather just do that instead of having actually you know deploy on Heroku. Because whenever you start up a web process for Heroku, it's going to use a different port every single time. Let me actually see Heroku web process same port. Yeah, it binds like a different port. On Heroku, it does, I think. Because Heroku doesn't. So every single time your port starts up, every single time your app starts up, Heroku gives it a new port. That's why you can't ever give like an actual port for your web application on Heroku. If you do, it's going to give you an error. But yeah. But what if someone can't get a VPS? Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi, you can do that. Um, I'm sure it is possible though. I would have to look into it a little bit. My major concern is like the port just changing all the time. Yeah, I might do that. But yeah, anyways. Um, yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the stream right now because I've been streaming for like 6 hours and we've done a lot in this video. In terms of the bot for the code, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to work on it a little bit more before I upload it onto GitHub. But I promise you guys, once I actually get everything all working, it's gonna be on GitHub. So if you aren't on my server, check out my Discord server. Okay, the link's in the description. Okay, make sure you check it out. Okay, make sure you check it out. And yeah, like feel free to join my server and leave some suggestions that you would like to see for the music bot. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the stream. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video or tomorrow's stream. And yeah, have a good night, everyone.